Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app related videos. And in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete a TikTok account without password. Alright, so let's say you don't know the password of your TikTok account but you still want to delete it. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can do that exactly. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification turned on. Let's move on. First step, click on profile at the bottom right corner of your screen and come to TikTok. Once you're on your TikTok profile, click on the three line at the top right corner and choose where it says settings and privacy. Now once you're in settings and privacy, and go on where it says account. Now when you're in account, you can see the password option. Click on it. Now over here, we are going to change our password. Now it's going to send you a 6-digit code on your email or your phone number, whatever thing you linked when you created a TikTok account. So go to your mail or check your phone's SMS, whichever thing you connected. So I connected my email, so I'm going to go to my email and check the code sent by TikTok to me. So my code is, this is my code. After entering the code, it's going to take me to the page where I can enter my new password. Over here, I can enter a new password for my TikTok account. After I do that, I click on next. Once I click on next, my new password will be set. Now once my new password is set, now I know my TikTok password. Now what I can do is go on accounts again and this time choose deactivate or delete account and choose delete permanently over here at the bottom, and it's going to take me to the account deleting page. Over here you can choose any reason you want, or you can click on skip at the top right. I'm going to click on skip. Now once you do that, it's going to take you over here. You can tick mark this at the bottom over here. Once you tick mark, your continue button will pop up. Click on continue. On the next step, it's going to ask you for your password. You can enter the new password which you set and the TikTok account will be deleted. So yeah, that's how you guys can delete your TikTok account without a password. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye.